Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable restricted mode in TikTok. If you want to have unrestricted access to content and explore TikTok freely, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device and make sure you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to access the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to navigate to the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, locate and tap on Content Preferences. This will allow you to customize your TikTok content preferences. Step 6. Within the Content Preferences, find and tap on Restricted Mode. This feature limits the availability of certain content on TikTok. Step 7. To disable restricted mode, simply tap on Turn Off. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable restricted mode in TikTok and enjoy a more open and unrestricted TikTok experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring TikTok without any restrictions.